Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to add roving mail or another account in the Mail app on your iPhone. To do this, you go into your iPhone settings. After that, in the list of settings, you look for the item, Mail. Tap on it. Now you click on the item, Accounts, and here you select the item, Add Account. And here we can choose any of the provided services, which can be connected to your Mail application. Or you click on Other, and add another mail. As you can see, this is a very simple and fast way. Done. There is nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel, and also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye-bye. See you later.